Well, good afternoon, everybody. Gunner folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at the Hacketts hotel. So before I give you an update on that, I haven't been here for a long time since it burnt down. Oh God, April now, wasn't it? A couple of months ago. So it was a quick update, see what's going on, and we'll see you soon, see what we can find. Do please excuse the traffic noise. Obviously with the road being open now, it's quite busy. Anyway folks, we're at the site where the new Hacketts hotel had stood on that disastrous fire that day. Anyway, I can see they've really nearly finished here now. JD Young Demolition. They've actually got it really neat, almost flat now. There's a bit of a ridge there, but I'm sure that'll be flat soon. Amazing really. Well, after a couple of months after the fire. And I'm going to cross the road in a minute folks and get a little bit closer for you. Anyway folks, I'm standing on the corner of King Edward Road. This is another view for the Hacketts. I managed to get across that road. Oh, that's busy. Yeah, so as I was saying, they've got it really flattened out now. See the dig on the big high-and-die diggers is here still. Well, this is the first update I've done for you since the fire actually. Not much really to show you, to be honest, but I thought I'd come down anyway, show you folks what they're doing here. Got quite a few thousand views on the Hacketts fire in the St Chad's. That created a hell of a lot of interest. So it's still got it all fenced off here anyway. So that looks like the some kind of forest escape or something just laying there, look. Probably from the Hacketts hotel. There we go. If I zoom in for you, you can actually see the state of the wall of the adjoining hotel there. I'll just zoom in here. There's trouble trying to see what's on the screen when I'm trying to film in the direct sunlight. Though I love the sunshine, but it's a bit of a pain when you're trying to film, folks. There we go. See if you can see that white door. Come around to the other side in a minute. There's some tyres lying here. As I said, we've still got the big digger here. It's interesting, look at those look at those buckets on there. All worked on like compressed air. They're huge. Knock a building down in no time. There's a little green cherry picker on site here. Excuse me. Yeah, they've certainly got to sort out that side wall then before they finish here. Yeah, flat as a pancake almost. Also another hotel here. That is derelict as well, by the look of things. Can't remember what this hotel was called. Anybody know? Let me know in the comments. It won't be any time soon. Wouldn't be surprised anytime soon this one is set fire to. It would be a crying shame. You've got the Maples next door to Berkeley's apartments. I don't think we can see anything inside, do you? Oh, just for the boxes. It's for the boxes at the moment, folks. Yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. That is that's it really, what's happening at Hacketts now. Yeah. At some point I'll bring you an update on St Chad's. I do believe they're putting blue hoardings up at the moment, so I'm not just sure you're going to be able to see much when I get up there. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Sorry, just laughed at myself. Every time I want to do my outro, there's someone walking past. Anyway, as I said, I'm going to leave it there, folks. Hope you like a little mini vlog on the update on the Hacketts Hotel. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. Hit the notification bell and upload more videos. Please share, very important to me. And then on that note, from the Hacketts Hotel, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Thank you and goodbye.